decided today is the day we are going to Auto Science, and we are going to finally put regular oil in this one and go ahead and change out the rim. They found my exhaust hangers. I'm going to do the exhaust hangers as well. If not, for sure, 100% change the oil in the rim. That means I got regular oil in here, which means that it can go to a dyno. Now, again, I have the evap arrow. They say it was my evap canister. I'm getting the P455 and the P456 error. So I may wait to get the canister and get them to fix that and then tune it, because it is hella cold right now. Christmas time. Merry Christmas to everybody. So I might have to wait till after the holidays, after the new year, to go ahead and get tuned. I'm pretty sure it's going to be impossible to get tuned by next week. I'd rather wait 2 weeks, because I actually taking my dog in to get foot surgery. He tore his ACL, poor baby. So I got to pay for that. So that's more important. So, but the biggest thing is I already put the 1,000 miles. I've always had the 1,000 miles on this thing. But driving footage, rolling to the shop, rolling. And hopefully I'll be able to go faster than 60 miles an hour. As soon as get this oil change, you'd be flying under this thing, bro. I swear. But yeah, I'll give you guys some driving footage once the car is fully tuned. You can kind of hit the turbo. Trying to keep the RPM low. Get out this braking oil. We're on the way down to Science. Keep popping. Hope you guys have a good Christmas and get what you want, or at least be off. Shit. I said we're going to ham at work, so be good to take my dog in tomorrow to get that surgery done. I'll be happy once that's done, so at least I know his ACL's repaired, and in about a month and a half he'll be running again. That'd be awesome. So that's my Christmas gift, buying no bionic leg. But yeah, we rolling. I know for these other people that want to see driving footage, there you go. Again, like I said, kind of limited right now. Hopefully this will change. I'll be able to drive it normal. I won't be able to boost past 5 PSI, because that's what's setting the tune. But tune's coming up. Tune's coming right on up. Like I said, I might wait till they fix that, fix the evap issue, the canister. Again, that has no bearing on the tune or whatever. But I like to get everything 100%. That's just me in my head before I put it on the dyno. Not that it's gonna affect it. Evap's turned off and blocked up anyway. So, but those two codes are annoying for sure. Alright, well, almost at Auto Science. Focus on driving, focus on getting it. And then look at this regular weighted oil in there. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. And for those of you asking, yes, this transmission is awesome. Tranny's badass. I put the Dragon Ball on. Again, I haven't been really using the tranny because obviously I've been on braking too. Let's get it. What up? We're at Auto Science. Look at that, see a brand new WRX. It has to do something with the real bumper, but that's cool. I haven't seen one. I've seen one in person, but never like this close. I knew eventually they'd be getting WRX, so let's go and get this oil changed. Interesting. They got the fender match, which actually looks better than having it all brown. I don't like the rims, but pretty cool to see in person. Let's head inside. Let's go ahead and get our stuff done with our car. Let's get it. Hell yeah. Good WRX, interesting. Auto Science. Yeah, that dropped the temps like crazy, boss. I mean, like, I haven't gone above halfway since he made it, bro. Not even like close. Like I said, I stay like, I want to say I stay below, dude. Like, it's crazy. But before I would shoot up. Yeah, before I'd shoot up, but now, old one, in my hat. Got a new rim on. Right there. Getting it done. So we're gonna go ahead and powder coat this like a different color. Got a new cap for it. for that balance. 0.5. Balance. You want this weight back? No. You don't want this one back? No. Save it?
We do not read it.
Oh, never mind. I'll be back. Sorry. Are they all the same size? You got different size ones. The weights.
These are 1/4 ounce. These are 1/2 ounce.
Okay, so you just balance between the two. Okay. I know some shops have like different size ones, so you don't.
We have all the hammer-on ones that mess up the wheels.
Let's not do that. Let's not do the hammer-on ones.
Those are wheels with like hubcaps and stuff.
Okay. Yeah, I got the little weights right here. What are you talking about? 0.25. When's the last time you did wheels, man? When's the last time you did the wheels?
Not too long.
Does it matter where you put the weight at? It doesn't matter.
It matters.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Can't just put it anywhere. I keep saying 0.25. Like, what's more? Science, we got to change now. I am unlocked. Achievement unlocked. Thank you to Auto Science. You guys ever need any work done? And this CPU is gone. I'm out of here. It's actually temperature dropping. It's supposed to be like 5 degrees. It's really cold. So we got everything done. Now I can drive the car normal at all. I can't boost above 5. That's in the tune, but I could go above 60. That's the point. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and split out, get to the house. It's actually starting to rain. I need to get home. And I gotta still go to work. So let's get out of this cold weather. Then we're on normal oil. Wait till we start driving. Yes, I can drive like a normal human being now. This can't boost above 5. So let's get out of here. I'm just letting the car warm up a little bit, at least giving it a minute to warm up because it's a 4-inch block, obviously. It's getting cold as hell. I can hear the tempo now. We flying, baby. Look at that, 70 miles an hour. We above it. We rolling. Hell yeah. Break-ins over. Car's alive. Had to get this dog's appointment scheduled. That evap canister is like almost $500, so we gotta get that done. We're gonna call the tuner and schedule to get the dyno tuned. But yeah, this weather is ridiculous. But we moving. We 45. Oh my God, we 45. That's what I'm talking about, man. Exactly what I'm talking about. That boy, I can hear the turbo whistle. Hopefully I can hear that little high-pitched whine. I'm loving it. Boy, driving normal. Hell yeah. Man, I'm actually happy. I can drive the car like a normal car. Now next up is this, get this tune, boy. Ooh, get this tune. Got the rim put on, got the oil change, got the coolant tapped off. The only other thing is they ordered me new exhaust hangers, because I did lose those, but other than that, we're good. But yeah, let me get to the house, focus on the road, because it is cold weather, and I want to make sure that, everything's good to go, as far as I make it back safely, for sure. This weather here, man, it's supposed to get down to 5 degrees, guys. Again, 5 degrees. Probably watching this video after Christmas, but yeah, Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year. I can say Happy New Year. I can't say that, but let's get it. You guys can see it. Look at the ground. How cold it is. You got basically down there ice, not necessarily snow, but you can see it coming off the road. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can see that. But it's coming off the freaking road. Crazy cool. The boosty boys. Woo. The boosty boy. Yeah, crazy cold. For sure. Boy, it's cold. New rims on. Hell yeah. Need to clean it up. I need to get the old rim out the back, but it's cold. Well, that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. This is pretty much, we got the oil change, we got the new tire put on, good to go. Gonna call up the tuner so we can get this bad boy in to get tuned. First things first, we'll take care of my dog, take care of the ACL. Again, Merry Christmas to you guys and Happy New Year's for you guys, depending on when you watch the video. But yeah, I'm out. Gotta get in, gotta get to work. I have to take this dog out. Later, guys.